Okay guys, so ito lahat yung ingredients natin sa paggawa ng lasagna. We have here al dente cooked lasagna, yung ating creamy spinach sauce, meron din tayong mushroom sauce, and yung ating white sauce, grated cheese. Okay guys, so una natin gagawin is ihanda natin yung ating mga sauce. So, una is yung ating mushroom sauce. So, magigisa tayo ng white onions and yung ating thinly sliced na mushrooms. Then, kapag naluto na siya, maglalagay tayo ng granulated garlic, oregano, and black pepper, and yung ating asin. In a small bowl, magmimix tayo ng 1 cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of flour. Haluin lang natin mabuti hanggang sa wala na tayong makita na lumps of flour. Now, ihalo na natin siya sa ating mushrooms and haluin natin mabuti at lutuin hanggang sa maging thick. Sunod naman na lutuin natin is yung ating cream cheese spinach sauce. Maggisa tayo ng spinach and white onions, and then kapag naluto na siya, hahaluan natin siya ng cream cheese. Now, maglalagay na rin tayo ng ating seasonings, black pepper, ground garlic, and yung ating asin. For our white sauce guys, 1 cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of flour. I-mix natin yon and then lutuin natin siya. Magdagdag lang tayo ng seasonings like ground garlic and asin. Ngayon naman guys, lutuin na natin yung ating lasagna pasta, and magboil lang tayo ng tubig na may konting asin at konting mantika, and then i-boil natin yung ating lasagna until al dente. So yan guys, ready na lahat ng ating ingredients. So all we have to do is to grease a baking dish and i-layer natin yung ating ingredients. Okay guys, so first layer ng ating lasagna is yung white sauce. Let's spread it evenly. Then isunod natin yung ating pasta. Pangatlong layer is yung ating mushroom sauce. Then maglalagay tayo ngayon ng grated cheese. Medyo damihan natin para mas masarap. And then now, yung ating cream cheese and spinach sauce. Then, repeat the process hanggang sa matapos tayo sa pag-layer ng ating mga ingredients. And yung pinakaibabaw niya would be cream cheese and yung cheddar cheese na grated. Now, we're ready to bake it, and i-bake natin siya guys for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. And here's our lasagna, so creamy and so cheesy and so tasty.